Our technicians come back every day to check the humidity levels of the property to ensure it's getting dry. Now that the affected area is properly dry, it's time to take down the containment barrier, remove equipment, and put all the furniture back in its place. Finally, our technicians give the customer an overview summary of what they did on the property. The client signs the certificate of completion and the dry-out process is finished. Our job is complete. We always recommend performing a simple mold test, duct cleaning, and a sanitation at the end of our drying job. Even after we leave, we still got you covered. From open communication lines to claim documentation, we give you that peace of mind.